Well, Snowmageddon 2025, update 3. I have went and bundled up. I'm watching traffic. So we will take a look here. I'm going to jump on the four-wheeler and plow the old driveway here. And let's flip this camera around to take a look here. Okay. There's no more brown grass. Everything is white. It is all snow. Let's see, we got another car coming. Truck, yep. I took the wife to work, and trying to see here. You can see how much snow is there. It's snow. So I'm nice and toasty and warm. I'm gonna grab my gloves right over there on the shelf, and I'm gonna jump on this thing and ride. Maybe do a video plowing snow. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm out here.